Dear viewers, you are most welcome to my online class on genetics. This is my second lecture on genetics. Today I explain Mendel's first law of segregation. This is a very important basic law for heredity. It is proposed or formulated by Gregor Johann Mendel. So this is known as Mendelian inheritance. Gregor Johann Mendel is the father of genetics. He researched on 34 varieties of garden pea plants and formulated two very important laws of inheritance. One is law of segregation, Mendel's first law, and other is law of independent assortment, Mendel's second law. Mendel's worked on 7 pairs of contrasting characters of garden pea. In this figure, 7 contrasting characters are shown. One round seed and wrinkled seed, inflated pod and constricted pod, axial flower and terminal flower, yellow cotyledons and green cotyledons, purple flower and white flower, tall stem and dwarf stem. At last, green pod and yellow pod. Mendel's first law or law of segregation is based on monohybrid cross hybridization between one pair of contrasting characters. Mendel formulated this law. The definition of law of segregation: when a pair of alleles or factors is brought together in hybrid union in a monohybrid cross, the members of the allele or factor pair remain together without mixing, diluting, or altering each other and separate or segregate from each other when the hybrid forms gametes. Now, modern concept of law of segregation, we have found that alleles segregate from each other during gamete formation into equal number of gametes. Now we explain law of segregation. In case of explanation, some symbol we explain. Capital T used for dominant allele responsible for tallness of garden pea plant. Small t means recessive allele responsible for shortness. Capital T means pure or homozygous tall plant. Small t means pure or homozygous short plant. Capital T small t means hybrid F1 or heterozygous tall plant. F1 means first filial generation or hybrid. F2 means second filial generation. Genotype means symbol of gene. Phenotype external characters. Genotype of tall plant is capital T, and genotype of short plant is small t. From capital T and capital T, all gametes are created with one capital T allele. Because alleles become by meiosis cell division. On the other hand, from small t, gametes are created with one small t. In F1, male and female gamete. This is male gamete, this is female gamete. are fertilized to form hybrid plant having genotype capital T and small t. Capital T and small t has two types of allele. One is capital T and other is small t. As a result, from capital T and small t, two types of gametes are created with capital T and other with small t. Here we observed law of segregation. Capital T is responsible for tall characters. It is dominant character. As a result, it is expressed in heterozygous condition. On the other hand, small t responsible for short characters. This is recessive character, so it is not expressed in heterozygous condition. So all plant in F1 is tall plant. In F1 plants, hybrid plants has both dominant and recessive factors. According to law of segregation, these two alleles or factors remain together, but they are not mixed, diluted or altered. As a result, gametes formation they can segregate or separate from each other. So two types of gametes are formed, one with capital T and other with small t. Now any type of female gametes can be fertilized with any type of male gametes. So when capital T and capital T is fertilized, it forms tall plants. Again, capital T and small t when fertilized, they form tall plants. Here capital T and small t are fertilized, they produce tall plants. Here small t and small t is fertilized with small t, so they produce short plants. This is our exception. Now we found from this checkerboard, this is called checkerboard. From this checkerboard we get genotypic ratio. Capital T is to capital T is to small t equal to 1 is to 2 is to 1. When phenotypic ratio tall is to short equal to 3 is to 1. This ratio is found because two opposite characters, capital T and small t, capital T for long plants and small t for tall plants, two opposite factors or alleles or genes can separate from each other during gamete formation. This is the explanation of Mendel's first law. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment.